Hello everyone. Today we are going to connect with the database by using Python. How to connect with database by using Python? We already know how to create table, how to insert data into table, how to update table, how to delete data from table. Everything is we already learned in database. Now how we work on the database by using any programming language. So today's topic is how to connect with this by using Python. So before starting, we have to start our MySQL server. Then MySQL server can be run as administrator. And yes, to run MySQL server, we have to come up. We have to go to the bin. For bin, there is a bin. Copy this path. Simple copy it. Then paste it. Change directory. Control V. Now we are inside the bin. To run the server, there is a command mysqld space hyphen hyphen console. Just wait for some seconds. It will start it. Remember, if you CMD always run require the permission of administrator permission. Without administrator permission, you can't run your MySQL server on your local host. It is stuck in some buffer pool. I think I already have a connection. It takes time. Let me restart again. Just wait. Now it is started. So for Python, we need ideal. Ideal. There is a file name. Now to connect, we need a package. Package name is PyMySQL. To import PyMySQL. After that, we need a database connection. To connect with database, we need PyMySQL dot connect. In this method, PyMySQL is a package. Inside this package, there is a method connect. There is a method connect. In this method, we have to pass four arguments. First argument is the localhost. Because we are working on localhost, we have to pass the name of localhost. After that localhost, there is a second argument. Second argument is the user ID of the MySQL server. Then there is a then there is a password for MySQL server. After that, we need a database schema. So here we use work in our database. Now, the first argument is local host. Second argument is the user ID. My user ID is root. And the third argument is password. My password is also root. And the fourth one is the name of the database. Database name is what? Sorry, what? Now it is finished. How now? Let me we are going to start the work on database. We know the query how to create a table. To create a table, just write it inside the triple quotes. Create table. Table name is those person. Name of person. What is the type? Type is varchar and the size is 20. Again, name there is an address. It's Also varchar type, varchar size is 20. Again, its id id is of integer type. Its size is 10. Okay. Now I have to close this string. Now what I did, simply write the SQL query, create table, table name is person, inside the table person there is the information of person like person name is of worker, name worker is involved all types of data, all types of data. Means you can insert in worker as everything whatever you want to insert in worker, it is treated as a string. After that the name, then address, same as Becker, and the ID. ID can be, suppose it is a college ID or office ID or something like PAN card or something else, whatever you want. It's ID. Now, is it okay? Now I have to execute this query. To execute this query, we use cursor dot execute. Execute what? Our SQL query. Now SQL query is executed. Now let me check by simple printing that table is created or not. Table created. Now after that we have to close the connection db dot close. Save it. Save to where? Local disk E. New lectures. db1 dot py. Save this file. Now I'm going to run this file. Tracker is not a defined. Okay, sorry, I forgot to create the cursor. Simple cur is equal to cursors db dot cursor. Cursor is used to point the table. We are going to save our table inside the work database. So cursor is point the table name person. I forget that. Sorry for that. Now again. Now we have again lots of errors. Lots of error. Table person is already created. Now to change the table person name is now or whatever employees. Table created, yes. Now it's working. Earlier we got the error cause the table name person is already created inside the database. Let me show you. CMD where is the bin? SQL hyphen u user ID is root hyphen p. The password is root root. Okay, show databases. This is the databases we have created. Here is our database. our database work. Is it visible to everyone? This is the database work. Now let me show where is our table. Here is table. The person table was here is visible. देखिए यहाँ पे ये विजिबल हो रहा है तो पर्सन टेबल ऑलरेडी हमारी क्रिएटेड थी दैट्स वाई वहाँ पे एरर शो हुई इसलिए इसको मैंने चेंज किया एम्प्लॉइज का एम्प्लॉइज टेबल ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड दैट्स वाई नेम इज एम्प्लॉइज EMPLOYEES how it is created. Okay, it is good. Now our next task is how to insert the data into that table. Let me finish it for today. Thank you.